Hi, Kai.
Hi.
All right, we're making the famous honey badger.
We sure are.
Okay, I'm probably not going to be a tremendous amount of help, but I'm at least going to be in here like boots on the ground trying to see.
Absolutely.
So tell me, what are we doing?
All right, so first thing we do is mix our cinnamon with our honey to make our honey badger paste. So what we do is we take our honey, we add 20 grams.
Oh, and it's to the point. I mean, you have it
do.
very digitally.
We measure everything in this household.
Okay.
All right, and if you want to go ahead and give that a couple shakes, like 2 or 3.
Oh, was that one?
1, yep. 2, let's do one more. Perfect.
Okay. I don't think you can go wrong with the amount of cinnamon, right?
No, I love cinnamon.
Oh.
We're nice and cozy with the cinnamon.
Okay.
So what we do is we mix the cinnamon in to create this beautiful paste so that the cinnamon is distributed throughout the whole thing.
Oh, I love that idea. I'll get out of the shot and let everybody enjoy
All
you
right,
doing this.
yes.
Now that I can honestly say I helped.
You did help. Truly.
By shaking the cinnamon.
You sure did. All right, so I'm gonna tamp my shot of espresso. We use our Drop Bear espresso blend that we roast in-house on our location at our compound we lovingly call on 207. All right, so let's start. So next up, we're going to use our house-made vanilla syrup. We use 1/2 ounce. Okay. And then our whole milk. I'm gonna go ahead and steam my milk. Steam the milk. Beautiful. All right, it's hot and ready to go.
So pretty. No, you did not just do that. Why did I think that there was a stencil involved?
No? Cheers.
That's amazing.
Enjoy your first honey badger.
That is amazing.
You like?
Yes, it is delicious, and it's just rich but not overly sweet.
It's a nice balance, a coziness, but kick of espresso you need for the day.
Oh, I do need it for the day. Thank you.